Are you looking for a simple activity to replace clinical? If you're scrambling to find a suitable clinical replacement activity, I can help. I've developed an innovative, all-inclusive membership just for nurse educators that provides access to over 100 unfolding case studies with topics across the curriculum. Each case study emphasizes clinical judgment and comes in multiple levels of complexity, so you can use it in both the class or as a clinical replacement activity. Each case study comes with a separate student version and a fully developed faculty answer key. Using my KeithRN case studies makes it simple and easy to bring innovative active learning to the online environment. Plus, once you're back in class, you can use these same tools to bring clinical to your classroom and develop the clinical judgment your students require for practice and licensure. I also offer a departmental membership at a dramatic discount. Click the link below to learn more.